Hi, this is Coog. Once candidate gets their email for the interview, they get to open the interview and start the interview within 3 days. So once they click and start their interview, they will get a preparation screen that's basically going to prompt the user all the job details, and they can continue to see all the preparation guidelines and set up the computer for the interview. So once all these guidelines have been checked, candidate can now start their interview.
Hello, John Smith. I'm Coog, your AI interviewer today. Welcome to your interview with Coog AI Company for the junior front-end engineer position. Please ensure you're in a quiet environment with good lighting and a stable connection. Are you ready to begin? Great, let's begin. In your experience at Tech Solutions Inc., you developed and maintained a dashboard using React.js and Redux. Could you describe a specific challenge you faced while integrating RESTful APIs with that dashboard and how you approached resolving it? Please focus on the technical decisions you made and why.
Now, candidates are given a lot of time to actually put their answers together before the AI proceeds into the next question.
You mentioned implementing responsive design principles with Tailwind CSS on the internal dashboard. Could you describe a situation where you had to make a trade-off between visual fidelity and responsiveness, perhaps due to browser compatibility issues or performance considerations? How did you evaluate the options, and what was the final outcome?
Once Cog detects a state that a question has been answered, it moves automatically to the next question.
Okay, thank you for that detailed explanation. I'll move to the next question.
With Cog, depends on the specification of the company, candidate can be asked a series of questions with different categories in behavioral, technical, and cultural. And finally, when all questions have been answered, the AI would acknowledge this and then move to the next stage of ending the interview.
Thank you for completing the interview. I'll share your response, and we'll get in touch soon.
At the end of interview, candidates are prompted to actually put in uh, the feedback for the interview, and then they can basically rate the interview and type in their manual feedback. Now, once this is done, as a company, you want to vet the results of the candidates. So this doesn't take hours; it just takes a couple of minutes, and you see the candidates' results. Now, when you view the candidate result detail, you'll be able to see the overall performance and the score over 500, and then the category of each score, and also like the insight into the category. And then you can also read full transcript of what the candidate said during the interview. So once you're done reviewing all the details of the interview, you can choose to print the interview to a PDF format. So by clicking on the print, you'll be able to print the interview with the detail analytics and also the transcript. Once you're comfortable with the entire detail, you can save it and share this document. And once everything is done, you want to shortlist the candidates by going to the all candidates and then picking shortlist and rating the parity of the level of the candidate. Now, once this is done and added to shortlist, you can now make your informed decision to either hire or not to hire. Thank you for choosing Cog, a first stop for everyone.